Assalamu alaikum. I have in front of me a Lenovo T420s laptop, and I'm going to be showing you how to replace both the RAM and the drive. So, some laptops you have to remove the back entirely. Others, you have specific access ports designed for an easier access to both the RAM and the drive. Now on this particular model, the drive is very simple to access. You have a single screw and a sliding mechanism. So I'm going to remove this screw right here, which will open up this little compartment, in which I simply remove the plastic piece, and now I have access to where the drive would go. Now, with models like this one, you have to be careful how you line up the drive, as it just slides right into place. There's no screws, there's no caddy holding it in place. So, now that you've figured out how the drive goes in, you're going to slide it in, and don't force it because you can damage the drive or the laptop itself. And you just want to ease it in and make sure it's set nicely. And you're going to put this plastic cover right back on. Make sure the teeth are aligned, and then just slide it back on. Then you put the screw back on like so. Now, to access the RAM, there's a little square in the center here with two screws, and you need to remove both of these screws. So I'm removing the screws, and this will give me access to where the RAM goes. I'm going to lift and then slide away. Now, to remove RAM on a laptop, on both sides of the RAM you have little tabs. You need to pull them away from the stick of RAM itself, and it should pop out like so. Grab it by the middle or the sides and evenly pull on both sides until it comes out. Now do the same thing with the second stick and gently pull until it comes out. Now, when you're putting in RAM, this applies both in laptops and desktops and really any machine that takes RAM. Make sure that the teeth are aligned. The shorter side with the shorter side, the longer side with the longer side. Need to make sure that first you get the teeth all the way back, as far back as they can go. Once you've done that, push down and it should click into place. Repeat the same process, paying attention to where the teeth are on the second stick. If at first you don't succeed, continue trying. Now that I have the teeth in place, I'm going to push down and it should click in. Now to put this cover back on, slide the teeth into place, bring it down, make sure it clicks everywhere, and simply tighten the screws Now with this particular model, it is a standard Phillips Plus, but the head of the screw does vary based on model and the manufacturer itself. Now you have successfully replaced both the RAM and the drive on a Lenovo T420s.